Hello everyone and welcome. Bogart Willie here. I'm gonna need you to go fuck yourself. Okay. Alright.
Yes, sir!
Once upon a time, in Connecticut, there was a king born. The king of the dance, he moved around.